it's Megan with WTI, and do you want to pretend that you're in the middle of a sunny French vineyard and not in the middle of a dreary winter day like me? Well, this Pahajim tablecloth might just help you complete your fantasy. As soon as I touched it, I knew it was of really high quality. The material is really textured and thick. I love the light and breezy color of this tablecloth. The fabric is this beautiful blue color mixed together with some white. The white stitching down the middle of the tablecloth just adds another interesting element and makes it really visually appealing. The tablecloth also has white edging with these white tassels on it that I absolutely love. I really feel like these white tassels along the edge really completes the relaxed, carefree vibe of this tablecloth. The simple beauty that this tablecloth brings really lends itself well to just minimal dinnerware. I don't feel like I need a fancy centerpiece or all the decorating bells and whistles to have a really beautiful table setting. If simple and minimal beauty is your thing and you're looking to bring some light to your dinner table, then I would definitely recommend this gorgeous Pahajim tablecloth. And that's my point of view.